Okay, I just want to go over if there's any kind of miscommunication with Digital Academy students. You guys have the second half of the period to ask me anything you need for the class, and if there's a lecture, it's going to be posted up for you by sometime around the second half of class, and sometimes before, depending on what class you're in. And that's your time to ask me anything. It's a pre-recorded lecture. It's the same thing that the kids get in class. The only thing you guys probably, I guess, don't get is just if there's an assignment, it's the directions are written out, typed out. Basically, just read the directions. And if you need help from there, just ask me. I'll be very happy to clarify anything you need. If you need to talk to me, and besides a chat with like texting, you can actually see me live in person, second half of the class using MS Teams. If you need help hooking that up, let me know. I'll be happy to get you going. And then after school, I I mean, anytime, at least for an hour after school, I'm all yours for whatever you need for extra help, and it's with texting or video chat, live, whatever you need. But our class is asynchronous, which basically means it's not live during that time period that you're here for class. The first half of class, usually I'm going to be dealing with the kids in class, and the second half I'll be dealing with you guys for whatever you need. And just let me know if you need anything. I'll be happy to get what you need to be successful in this class. Everyone's getting the same thing. It's just the first half of class devoted to the kids in the classroom, second half to Digital Academy. And yeah, just message me anytime on Canvas too if you need anything. I'm just trying to tell you, I'm here for if you guys need anything. There should be no misunderstanding that I'm hiding away or I can't get to you. You guys just reach out to me. I'm happy to help you any way possible. The last thing to discuss is attendance. Like I said in like my class expectations for you guys is I prefer if you log in during our period, especially the second half, because it's just like live time that you can like text me, chat with me in Teams, whatever, video, and we can help with anything with that. But if you don't, it's not in the world. You're at home. You can catch up anytime. You're Digital Academy for a reason. It's basically virtual school, which is work at your own pace to a degree. But log in by 1:30 every day. That is the very least I ask. And if you can't, I got to mark you absent. There's just no way around that. And I see how long you're logged in and where you're logged in. And if it becomes a problem that you're not logging in much, then we might have to get a hold of your parents to say, hey, what's going on here? But yeah, log in. If it's your class A, you need to log in at the latest 1:30, so I can see that you actually like came to Canvas that day. And I would obviously log in during your class period. In the second half, I'm all yours for whatever you need. So just let me know if you have any questions.